Something new is brewing in Bangalore that will transform Indian manufacturing. Let's find out what it is.
15 years ago, when we started as a Bloom subsidiary company of Germany in India, it was something like to bring the technology to the industry. Industry in India needs a updated and newer technology that is required for the manufacturing industry in automotive, aerospace, medical, electronics, and so on. The competence centers have been installed in US and China already. Now it's a turn of India. The competence center, what is that we are offering is that to have a meet and greet with our senior management from our headquarters and various colleagues from the globe across. We will have a good interaction during our event. Looking forward to meeting you.